Okay, it's a very windy morning, Friday morning at Northwick. There's a lovely Lottie we have her staying with us at the moment. Old Road South, so pretty spectacular scenery as usual, but all the woofers are a bit funny with the wind. Here they come. Look at Ellie coming, there's Moles, Archie, Honey, and Michelle giving them a reward. There they come. Little Oscar. So that's Oscar Brown. Nothing happening, nobody coming.
Oscar!
There we go, all the doggies.
Oscar!
Lovely walk this morning. There's Dexter Spaniel. There he goes, hi Dex. And Honey, there's Honey. Oh, Lottie, lovely Lottie. She's been really good. She made a pet shop this morning. She was sitting down. She got weighed this morning. She got weighed this morning, James. So she's over 31 kilos.
Oscar.
And there's Bramble. Oh, Oscar's appeared! Go on, Oscar Brown. Here he comes to get a biscuit from Michelle. There we go. Wow. Wow. Get out of my way. I want a biscuit first. Wonderful stuff. Lovely. Off you go. Go, 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 go. Off there.